So guys, previous we discussed about that one option will be there. So how we can connecting for Facebook page to Instagram option. This already we discussed in the previous option. What is the main purpose? What are the content you're sharing for your Facebook option anyway? We can posting for Instagram automatically. That option will be there. And Instagram, what are the content you're sharing? Automatic sharing by the Facebook page also there. So here one of my student asked me one question. So if a Facebook page will be there, we can easily disconnect by the Instagram option. Everything is fine. How to know that? What are the every connection will be there? You will using for create a studio option will be there. In this, our accounts are will be there. So in this, what account will be there? South Real News channel will be there. In the particular, Instagram will be there. This will be Instagram. This will be Facebook. How to know that? Is a connector disconnect option. Go to page setting option. In the page setting, the Instagram will be there. Anything connected disconnect option will be there in the particular Facebook page option. So here, the particular connection option will be there. If a disconnect option will be there in the particular Facebook page option. But one of my YouTube subscriber asking one question is called, so everything, sir, Facebook profile is there, we can easily disconnect option. Suppose is asking same question will be like that. So how can I disconnect Instagram from Facebook account without opening the Facebook account option? My Facebook will be hacked or something is going on. Some mistake is my Facebook will be not open. How I disconnect Instagram from Facebook account? In this purpose, we have to use option will be Instagram mobile app. In this desktop will be not worth on the particular application. So in this Instagram application, so how will we disconnect without Facebook option? Go to mobile option here, selecting for setting in this option. Here we'll be selecting for settings. In the click for setting option, the option call is account. In this account, we have to switch to the personal account. Right now is a business account. Why it is business? The page business will connecting for Instagram. So what are the content you can sharing? Facebook, Instagram, automatic showing for Facebook and Instagram option. And what are the content sharing for Instagram? Suppose here, Instagram feed. I'm selecting for South Real News. Here, the page also will accept it. Is a way. So without Facebook is asking for, so my Facebook is hacked completely. So how we can identify this option? In this purpose, Instagram will be there, link account. First option is switch to personal account. Second will be link account. Click the link account. What are your Facebook page will be there? Just uncheck this option. Just one click, uncheck this option. I'll show you proof directly. And if you will be connect is important. We can connecting for other page also will be easily we can connect option. No worry about that. Other page will be connect. After disconnecting, this page is not required. We can connecting for other page also. One Facebook page connecting only one Instagram. Suppose Instagram already connect with one page. If you connect another page, is impossible. One Instagram connect only for one Facebook page. One Facebook page connect only for one Instagram account. Here, selecting this option, go to mobile here, click for switch to personal account. Done. It is done. Now go to Create a Studio. Refresh. Previous South Real News is there. Refresh it. Now you can check it is there or not. It is showing for here. When unlink that option here, so automatically we can check for the particular things. So here, just we can updating for take a time option. Now we can go to refresh. If it's there, we can remove from that link option also will be mandatory field. Just scroll up. It is not there. Why it is not there? They remove by the personal account. Here, they go to where? Personal account. If you go to the professional account, click the switch option. They're connecting for your Facebook page option. Link account here. the link for my profile. Previous link with my page. Now profile will be here. If you connect once again, go to page, click for setting. Another Facebook profile also will connect. So your already on profile is gone. This connecting for another page. So I am not connecting another page, just I'm showing for existing page option. Instagram. Without Facebook page, we can't connecting Facebook to Instagram. That is not a required. If your Instagram app also be connecting for your particular Facebook page also will be connected. No worry about that. Here is the get started. Select option here. All the connector is there. Just you can connect for the get started option. You can connect will be here. So just will be connected. Previous is not showing for your particular page. You can see here. Careful to watch. Not the particular page. South Hill News. Now you can go to refresh it. So these are the criteria. A lot of people, this kind of questions are there. So how is some my Facebook is hacking? How we can remove from my Instagram account? Suppose my Instagram connecting to my Facebook page, how we can remove that option? These all will be not worry about that. Everyone is a solution will be there to connecting from Instagram to Facebook, Facebook to Instagram option. So main thing will be connecting Facebook, Instagram to share the photos purpose. Instagram to Facebook to share the photos and videos purpose. Two things compulsory remember on your particular option on the Facebook and Instagram connection. Without Facebook working also we can remove the option will be there Instagram app option. So that is compulsory we can manage a particular setting option. So this all will be compulsory mandatory field to connect and disconnect the particular Instagram and Facebook profile option. Give me a second. They are updating in the options. After refresh, you can check here. Once again, Instagram will be connect and check mobile application. Check for same profile option. Here will be click for setting option here. Go to settings. Now check for account option. Click for link account. Previous my profile name connected. Now we'll be connecting for page. Is it clear? This is a way to we can connecting for particular Facebook, Instagram. We can remove from Instagram to Facebook without open for Facebook profile option. So these are the parameter will be follow particular instructions. Compulsory we can go this option will be here. Just we can go to back. The click for setting option in the profile. Click for here the particular option and is click for setting option. Here go for account. In this switch to personal account. That is a business. This will be personal account. Second will be link account will be there. Unlink this option. The connecting by your profile. There is a main. Without Facebook, we can disconnect in. Connection will be Facebook page to Instagram option. So this is a way we can connecting for Facebook to Instagram. Disconnecting for Facebook to Instagram using Instagram mobile application. Don't forget setting accounts, switch to personal and click for link account, unlink your particular page option. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe our videos on the particular YouTube channel. And if you learn more things on the particular digital marketing and tips, you can go to my website, Skill to Digital, subscribe our YouTube channel and follow my social media icons. And any further request, please chat with us. I'll uploading for a lot of videos on the particular YouTube channel. Follow my channels. One is the Digital Rakesh. Second will be, we can start the new channel will be for multiple language developers, Skill to Digital channel. Follow these channels, like, share, subscribe, comment me for any request will be required on the particular YouTube channel, comment box or my website, contact us form. I'll make the video, upload on the YouTube channel 100% successfully. We can chat with them on the particular Facebook and particular chat box option.